Number one, why would you want a hydrogen water bottle? So before you can know if you want a hydrogen water bottle, you need to know why you want hydrogen in your water in the first place. I'm telling you, one of the most common comments people make about this is that it's a scam because hydrogen's already in water. This is true that hydrogen atoms are part of the water molecule. But people, the hydrogen we're talking about is hydrogen gas or molecular hydrogen, a totally different species of hydrogen. I don't have time to explain the different species of hydrogen, but I made a video that could be helpful to that question. Hydrogen gas is recognized as a novel therapeutic medical gas. The administration of this gas to the human body is referred to as hydrogen therapy and is a practice aimed at addressing various health problems or disorders. Extensive research with over 2,000 scientific articles and counting, including upwards of 200 preclinical and clinical human studies and growing, has been conducted to understand its efficacy. Scientists have discovered that molecular hydrogen has the potential to aid in over 170 human disease models and is therapeutic for virtually every organ in the human body. Importantly, the best part is the discovery that it has zero damaging effects to our cells. Check out this video to learn more about the safety profile of hydrogen gas. Now, even though we're talking about hydrogen water with these bottles, it's important for you to know that hydrogen gas delivered via water is not the only way to administer hydrogen gas to the human body. Molecular hydrogen can be introduced into the human body using different methods, such as hydrogen-rich water, which is the consumption of water dissolved with molecular hydrogen. Hydrogen gas inhalation, which is the inhalation of hydrogen gas through specialized devices. Intravenous injection, which is the direct introduction of molecular hydrogen into the bloodstream. And topical applications, which is applying hydrogen-rich solutions or gels directly to the skin. Now, to explain all the benefits would be too much for this video. I have a whole playlist with videos of the benefits of molecular hydrogen. We have a whole series on how hydrogen can benefit the top 10 causes of death, and those videos are extensive. This video here reviews over 60 health benefits of hydrogen gas. But to give you a few of the big ones, hydrogen can have a wide range of health benefits, including anti-inflammation, anti-allergic, anti-arthritic, anti-brain disorders, anti-aging, improves the immune system, and is even a protective agent for disease prevention. If you're new here, you should know that we make all of our videos based on what the research has to say about hydrogen gas. Everything we have to say will always have a scientific study to back it up, and we always put our sources in the description. On top of that, I've been in this industry for a decade and I've been following this research closely, as well as having colleagues who are part of research teams and have conducted many studies themselves. So as a prominent member of the hydrogen research and advocate community, I've worked very hard to establish myself as a trusted source of accurate information for hydrogen gas and hydrogen products. If you want to know more about me and what I do, check out this 2-hour presentation where I discuss basically everything you need to know about hydrogen therapy. But enough about me. As you can tell, hydrogen gas has plenty of reasons to be a desirable health tool for your life, which is why these little bottles have become so popular, because they are a relatively inexpensive way to access the benefits of hydrogen. But how do they even work? That's the next question. If this was helpful, make sure you check out the full length video where I explain this in more detail. And if you want simple content on molecular hydrogen therapy, make sure you subscribe to H2 Minutes.